The Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act will reduce carbon emissions in the United States by 90% over the next 30 years, helping keep the temperature of our Earth below an increase of 1.5 degrees Celsius. However, this policy is not a silver bullet. The Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act only covers emissions from the combustion of fossil fuels plus emissions of fluorinated gases. Other policies beyond the Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act would be needed to reduce non-fossil fuel emissions and to encourage negative emissions through biological and technological methods. Yet, the Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act will still have worldwide implications in the fight against climate change. The border carbon adjustment, for example, that puts a rebate on exports related to the carbon content of certain U.S. products exported to other countries, will encourage trade partners to implement their own prices on carbon in order to facilitate more lucrative trade without the fee, multiplying the policy worldwide and causing emissions to go down even more. In addition, the Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act does a lot of heavy lifting to shift our fossil fuel-dependent economy to a more climate-effective model, increasing the price of emitting carbon and forcing large power companies to switch to alternative, cleaner sources. In this green economy, further legislation necessary to combating climate change will have a much easier time being accepted into the economy than in a world without the bill. In the end, while this policy is not a silver bullet, it is a step in the right direction to solving our climate crisis and a further launching block for more climate legislation.